grinding spree. So let's go to grinding on. Ow, 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 my hand. More grinding on the wolf. That really hurt. I need stress. No, I need the stress tool. Hey. What? Okay, yeah, I already know. What? No. Okay, 1 sec. Okay. That's real bad. Considering Snook. Oh my god, I love that word so much. Snook. By the way, Snook is actually a snake. That's funny. Snook. What? Hey. Aww. That was a waste. What? Whoa, grinding. We'll see like that. Huh? See about my dead body. No! I seen the geese. Whatever it's called. Whatever. I seen things. How on my list. How very good on my list. Snook. Is there any more snooks? 682. 682. Okay. That's pretty good. And also a tiddleses. Ugh. Oh, I was gonna say, ugh, where is it? Huh? No. I deserve to be up front. But I'm not up there. So that makes me mad. Blah. Tiger. Don't say tiger. Tiger. Defeat for tiger. Wait, what? I'm so confused right now. Why do they keep on moaning and groaning? weird. Oh, that was my cat. I was scared of me cat. Actually, I need more of these. Don't I? Yes. Oh well. I don't get any of them. No. My cat. Good, I'm still up front. What? You're crazy. Hey, man, I'm really having beef with that guy. I really want to get number 1. So, look what my prize will be. Hey, no. That. Wait, what? 30 gems? Oh! What? Attacky. Oh no. That's very bad. Look how goofy this guy is. Like, look how many gems I'm gonna get from him. I'm gonna be able to pretty much like push out gems. Come on. Oh wow, there's so much. What? Oh, how much money? No money, but gemstones. That's cool, guys. Did I zone out for a second? I don't know what I said. I don't even know if I existed. What day is this? Is Easter here? Hey Google, how many days into Easter? I'm confused. Ow. You tried to push me. Oh yeah, another radioactive. Cycle locked. Look at that winkly thing. Dude. I'm having so much beef with that guy. It's getting on my nerves. Is that him right down in there? It is too. If his goes up. Dog. Bruh. That ain't fail, man. That ain't fail. I need to talk to somebody right now. Boy, I'm not even getting anything. I'm like, that's crazy. dog, this, you're seeing this, like, the guy has evidence. This guy might be cheating. But, like, whoa. Okay, hopefully these tigers have them. You tiger, you better be over 14. Yum! No! Oh, that's not fair. No. That is human abuse. I feel like that is game abuse right now. Like, actually, this is kind of making me really mad. Okay, finally I'm back. Hopefully that guy quits. Oh no, he's still holding in there, isn't he? I'm not doing anything but besides that. You can live. You too can live. You both can live. Y'all can live. Yeah, I need to do this right now. Like pronto. I don't want gems, man. All I want is moonstones to get. Bug. One sec. Here, I'm back. Wait. Okay. Did Bo log out? Yikes, he's still in. One sec. Okay. Oh damn, I already looked here. Huh, that really sucks. I already looked here. Man. I'm not killing anything. All I'm doing is stuff that's on my to-do list. What else is here? Goose. Uh-oh. You shall die. You're so close. What? Okay, Tiger, please. I'll love you for life. Nope. You're going down to... Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. But this is a family-friendly channel. Like, man, sorry I'm not old enough, but like, man, I can't do that. I can dance around the bubonic plague. What things? Nope. Pretty much, I'm just running around looking for some stuff. I'm pretty much just like not doing anything. Why am I wasting my time? No. No. That's good. Yes. Yes, so. So Bobby menu. Actually, no. I'm independent now. I can do this on my own. Might not be getting points, but hey, at least I'm getting gems. Yikes. I'll keep on using my abilities. Come. Come. Chase me. Come on, man. Stop being a wuss. You're just gonna die either way. I'm getting too whiskey. Whiskey. This is the way to go. No! Oh my god. Why? I hate myself so much right now. I hate myself so much. Why? Just why? I forget where it is. No, I don't. Yes. Ching. Look, see that? Let's go. Hey, look at that. That's pretty good. Okay, that was very bad though. Wait, what? How did I get that extra? I don't know. It's kind of cheap using 60 gems for money. Yo. Yo. Snooks. No snooks. Ugh. How do I just like kind of like summon them? I want to summon them. Are you on my to-do list? Nope. Nope. You? No. Yeah, nope. Might as well just kill you anyway. My opponent is getting some ground. Is he? Not really. Still sad and deflated. Come back. Oh God, not again. What? What? That? Yikes, I might die. Psych a lot. You'd think I would die by these weird, goofy, booby things? Maybe by the tortoises, but definitely not by you. Pretty close to killing me though. Have to admit. Here's a funny joke. What do you call something at... What do you call an animal that lies? What type of animal would lie? A lion. Keep it simple, but what do you call an animal that lies? What did they do? They made up a tall tale. Well, you're full of baloney. Tall tale. Like that, you know what I mean. What? Nah. He's getting close. Let's go. Dang, I'm fine. Whole bunch of pretty. No! No! Take a deep breath. I don't care about deep breath. I hate my life. Why did I do that? I suck. Nobody's probably gonna come anyways. It's a quiet map right now. Let's be quiet. Now you're telling me? Now you are telling me? Okay. Nice down. No, don't upload it. Don't. Don't. To the most powerful ones. Stupid. Stupid. Oh yeah, go on. Yeah, do the most powerful ones. Ready to die. Yeah. Stupid one, stupid two. Oh yeah. Wait, blah. Blah. I'm at level 15. But no way. No way. I'm busting out the roof. I'm so powerful right now. But in reality, I'm just like a sad, deflated little slug. I'm most likely a pickle. Watch this, guys. Ooh. Oh, wow. No, I got too many gems. Blah, I went the wrong way. Damn. He got ahead. How about have a I, not be ahead, but bum. Funny too. Nobody ever laughs. I really don't like that person. Help! Help! Skippity, skippity, skip, come on. Ah, skippity, bibbity, bibbity, jibbity, jibbity, jibbity. No. Nay. Hell no for yay. Like joy, yay. Blah. If I was you, I would get away from me. Cause I'm calling in a pack. Like the annoying kid I called the teacher over. Yeah, who's the alpha now? Who's alpha now? Me. Help me! God. No. Die. Ah, dibbity dabbity ya, ya. Lima bean. Okay. Dog, I'm tripping. Man, I'm tripping now. I'm tripping. I don't know what's going on, but I haven't grinding on the wolf. I haven't done this for like a long time. And I wasn't at this game for quite some time. Babbity. Person. One fast and far away. They're sabotaging. Actually, I should spawn them wherever. Yeah. So, if whenever I die, actually I should spawn them so they won't trust me. If I have a big pack, I will die and then I'll hammer and then. Oh no. Missy? Cat? My cat? Whoa! Oh my god. Oh, I just screamed at her like, ah! And then she thought it was a flood and then she ran away. I scared her. Actually, she scared me, and then I scared her, and then we're all scared for our life. Okay, cool, yeah, Animals. Yeah, go fight some owls. Go beat up some owls. Let's just sabotage him for a little bit. I'm going full savage right now. I'm sabotaging everything that I can get my hands on. If I click owl, click owl, sabotage is up. Look at the people, they're still buying it. Not like in real life. Stop it, you know what I mean. This is very crazy. Like, man, I'm getting into this. Okay, this dog. This is messed up. Like, you might be thinking to yourself, damn, that's messed up, but man's gotta do what he gotta do. You are my enemy. You actually, I'm following you. I'm following you. He's trying to lose me. Who's there for now? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Nope. Oh no. Let me see. Okay, look at this guy. Running around. How does Bo even get any points? Guess runs around. This is crazy. This should keep them occupied. If he finds something. Okay, this is crazy. I'm gonna have to end it here. Bye.